Hey everyone, welcome back to Miku-Tech channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to make your digital life easier and more fun. Today, we've got something super exciting for you, 20 keyboard tricks that will blow your mind. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, these tricks will help you work smarter, not harder. So let's dive right in.
Let's jump right into some keyboard tricks that will transform the way you work. First up, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, the classic copy and paste combo. It's simple, but it saves so much time. If you ever make a mistake, just hit Ctrl+Z to undo it and Ctrl+Y to redo. For multitaskers, Alt+Tab is your best friend for switching between apps quickly. Need to clear your screen fast? Windows key plus D minimizes everything in a heartbeat. Accidentally closed a tab? No problem. Ctrl+Shift+T brings it back instantly. Want to lock your computer when you step away? Just press Windows key plus L. To find something on a page, Ctrl+F is a lifesaver. And when it's time to close a window, Alt+F4 does the trick. For quick access to the task manager, use Ctrl+Shift+S. Open File Explorer with Windows key plus E and select everything in a document with Ctrl+A. Snap windows to the sides of your screen using Windows key plus arrow keys. Create a new folder in File Explorer with Ctrl+Shift+N or project your screen with Windows key plus P. Bookmark your favorite pages using Ctrl+D and access the settings menu with Windows key plus I. Clear your browser history with Ctrl+Shift+Delete and open an incognito window with Ctrl+Shift+N. Finally, access essential tools quickly with Windows key plus X. These tricks will definitely boost your productivity.
So I hope you enjoyed our content, computer keyboard tricks to boost your productivity and make your life easier. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Miku-Tech YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.